Okay, so I'm going to assume that you've already created a new file. You already understand how to create it so it's in inches. Make sure you've got an even number. It's always easier when it's 8 by 8, 6 by 6 instead of something harder. Okay, I'm going to move this to the middle of my screen. What I'm going to do is I am going to view my rulers. So I'm going to select View Show Rulers. They're going to show up on the top of the screen. So I'm going to go up to the top ruler. I'm going to grab it and drag it down to the 4. I'm going to do the same with the left ruler. I'm going to drag it across to the 4. Now this is an alternative way to finding center of your snowflake. So once I've done that, then I'm going to go over to the pen tool, line segment tool. I'm going to create my vertical line. Remember, 12 is the best stroke. You can see it. You can make it bigger later. Let's do the first one with the slash, second one black. Okay, so I've got my first stroke going there. Okay, kind of like it. Then I want to make something different off of each side, so I can go here, go here, a little bigger, do whatever you want. If you don't like those edges, you can select them, go to the stroke, look for cap. That'll cap it off for you. I can go down here, same thing, hit stroke, hit cap. Okay. I might want to put something on the ends of those, or I might want to add a curve, or you can play with the tools. I am going to add another segment. Oops, let's not do that. Let's get back into here. Okay, let's go to the line segment tool this time, and I'm going to go, oh, what am I going to do? I'm going to go like down there. Okay, not very creative, but what? It's okay. I'm going to put a hexagon, so I'm going to select that polygon tool, hold my option key, click in the middle of the screen. That'll tell me it's going to be a 6-sided. Okay, I kind of like that, so I'm going to drag him. Come on, little guy. Let's move. Let's put him right here in the middle because I'm going to have pieces going around him. Okay, I might want to put a circle. Let's do an ellipse tool. Hold my shift key down. Go to the arrow tool. Let's drag him over onto the end here. Kind of interesting. You can add whatever. I mean, there are no rules here. The only rules are that you have to have it so that it is going to be a solid shape. If it's got all these loose ends, then it's not going to be very good. And check those templates that I gave you. They'll give you a better idea of what snowflakes really look like. But you can have some fun. Make some marks here. Go to the pencil tool wherever he is. He's down here somewhere. There he is, pencil tool. You can do loopy-doos. Woo! You can do anything you want. You can just have some fun. Make something that you think is interesting. You don't like it, you always Command Z it out. Spirals, whatever. You can have some fun. Once you find a design on the right side, then what you want to do is make it so that that design is duplicated on the left side. And to do that, look at that guy a little bit. Let's make sure he's connected here. There, okay. What you want to do is you want to Command All, select the stuff on the left. Okay, don't select the hexagon, just select everything on the left. Don't need the hexagon. Oops, come back here. Okay, let's go up here. Everything there. Okay, and I'm going to go up to Object, Transform, Reflect. And I'm going to reflect it vertically, and I'm going to say Copy. Then I'm going to move it over using my left arrow key. I'm just going to scoot it over, line it up so it's right on top of the other one. You should be able to eyeball it so it's right where you want it to be. Kind of looks like a tiki torch. And then I want to copy that all the way around using a rotate tool. So I am going to select all of it. Okay, I'm going to go over here to the rotate tool. I'm going to hit Option, get to that center of the ruler part. Click there and it'll open up the menu. Hit 60 degrees, copy. Then Command D, 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 D takes it all the way around. Look at what you've got. See if you like it. It's not bad. I might want to add a circle at the top so that I can hang it. Okay, so I create a circle. I'm going to drag that up here. There. And once you get a design that you think you like, and you've kind of had a chance to play with it a little bit and get some of those rough edges off, then what you're going to do is you've got to get it into an outline. And the hard part is you got to Command A. You're going to go up to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. Okay, it's going to outline everything. You don't want all these to be cut out separately. So now that you see on the low right, Pathfinder, the first one says Unite. Unite everything. Okay, then you're going to select everything again. Okay, you're going to make the first square at the top a red slash, and the second one is going to be whatever color. Black is usually right, black or blue. That's what your snowflake's going to look like. And you want to make sure these pieces right here, these are just going to fall away. So you're just going to have this big gap in here. See, these are just going to fall away. So it's not a very effective snowflake. I don't think it's very nice. These are all, this is connected. This is going to be one big piece. Okay, you can kind of see how it's going to make the snowflake, but you want to make sure that it's going to stick together and not have loose edges. But I can see in here, those are just going to be holes. Those are going to be holes. Yeah, it's not too bad. So once you get something, you like it, let's save it. But let's do Command A. That selects it all. Let's change the stroke to 0.0001. And when you hit enter, it's going to almost look like it's fading away, which is fine. It'll be there. It's just very, very faint. You want to hide the guides, so go to View, Guides, Hide the Guides. There they are. Let's save it as a PDF. So my snowflake. So give your snowflake your name, you know, Jane Snowflake, Mary Snowflake. Save it as a PDF. Save. Save. Don't hit any other buttons because it doesn't like it. Now it should be on your desktop. Okay, you've saved it. So I can get out of Illustrator, open up my browser, and type the word bit.ly/m3make. Okay, that'll take you to the menu for the MakerDrop. And you want to tell the MakerDrop what you're doing. Okay, so your name, the purpose, it's a class project, ideal date for pickup, well, as soon as you can, 12/8, how's that? Request, I need a laser cut. Okay, next, we're going to use cardstock. That's the thickest. You can make it out of cardboard if you'd like. We're not going to cut them out of wood because we'd have to verify that we have enough wood, and we haven't had an order. So check cardstock or cardboard first. If you go to the next one, it was vector cut, and the color, pick a color, any color you'd like. I like my snowflakes white or blue, and add my file. And I remembered that I called it my snowflake. There it is. Open it up, upload it, and when you hit submit, it'll say thank you for sending me the copy of the snowflake. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you load it to the makerspace. If you have any trouble getting your actual snowflake ready to be cut, let me know. You can always send me the email of your snowflake design, and I'll tell you if it's going to work out or not. Some of them just don't work. They're not connected properly. But see if this helps. This is the updated version, and I'll send you the older version of this video so you can see what it looks like. Okay?